So today's video I'll be marinating chicken. The chicken is meant for our barbecue tomorrow. Yes, so these are the chicken that was brought in by our church member, and they want me to sauce, or will I say marinate, the chicken for our tomorrow barbecue. So I will start by taking off the chicken from the bags and pour them inside my big bath. As you can see there, I'm going to be pouring 3 bags, and afterwards I'm going to add water to soak the chicken because some of them are still blocked. So I had to soak it for it to defreeze a little bit, and I'll give it a proper wash. At this point, guys, I needed to put the camera aside so I can focus more on washing my chicken. Kudos to those of you that do large chicken. I hail you guys. I remove cap for you guys. Anyways, in the process of washing the chicken, I forgot to turn my camera on when I was blending the ingredients for this barbecue chicken. I will display the ingredients on the screen there as well as in the description section. After marinating my chicken properly, I will cover and allow it to marinate for 24 hours. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment, and I will allow you guys to watch the rest of the video. Have a great day. Barbecue time, Hope Chapel. We're enjoying ourselves, yeah? Subscribe to the channel.